Your order will arrive within 7 days. When you open the box, you will see that the PCB is wrapped in bubble wrap. You can see the high quality of the PCB made by PCBWay. On this video, I will make a 2S battery charging for 3.7 volts 18650 battery. This is the case I will use. This case is for 2S battery connection. This is the module I will use for 2S battery charging. This module is very useful, especially for DIY projects. The input of module is 3.6 volts to 6 volts DC, and the charging is 8.4 volts. The 2S module has 3 versions, the 1 ampere, 2 ampere, and 4 ampere. I used 2 ampere module. The 2S module is designed for 2 battery series connection. The input voltage of 2S module can use a Type-C or direct solder to the board. This module also has an LED indicator if the battery is charging or full. I will use a Type-C connector 5 volts power supply. If you see the LED indicator light up, let's check the output voltage. The output is 8.9 volts, using 5 volts input. This 3.7 volts battery will charge in series connection on this board. This case is designed on series connection. Parallel connection can be modified in this case. Let's check the voltage of battery. The full charge of this 3.7 volts battery is 4.2 volts. The one battery is almost low charged. Now let's put on this case, and check the total voltage of 2 batteries. The total voltage of 2 batteries is 7.6 volts. This 2 batteries, if will fully charge, the voltage is 8.4 volts. Let's assemble the 2S battery charging. All done. This is the 2S battery charging using 2S 2 ampere module. This 2S charging module is very useful. Let's charge the battery. Can use this for DIY projects and more.